Ever since I graduated from university, I struggle to keep learning new things even though there are tons of things I want to learn. Like, I want to learn the basic of typography and design, content marketing, JavaScript, nutritional science, psychology, and so on. But I haven't been able to learn any of these things. I wanted to change that. I want to learn something new each week. It's just because learning new things is fun and also helps you generate new ideas and leads to new opportunities. In my opinion, continuous learning is key to meaningful life, and many people I admire emphasize the importance of lifelong learning.
That you're hooked for lifetime learning. And without lifetime learning, you people are not going to do very well. I constantly see people rise in life who were not the smartest, sometimes not even the most diligent, but they are learning machines. They go to bed every night a little wiser than they were when they got up. And boy, does that habit help, particularly when you have a long run ahead of you.
But I guess everyone knows it's important to keep learning. The question is, how? How do we keep learning effectively throughout our life? Well, I don't have a perfect solution for this problem, but let me share a solution that works for me to keep learning new things each week. It's really simple. The idea is you pick one thing you want to learn each week and actually study the thing. First of all, you want to make a list of things you want to learn. You can use whatever note app you're using, like Evernote, Notion, or Draft. Personally, I use Roam to keep a list of things I want to learn. Whenever I stumble upon concepts that I want to know more about, I just write it down with a tag to learn. Then what I do next is to do a weekly review on every Sunday, see the list and pick one thing I want to learn in the next week. For example, this week I picked breathing and how it's related to stress, anxiety and focus. The final step is to schedule 1 hour for studying the thing you picked. Every day I have at least 1 hour for studying. As I said in the last video, if you want to do something you've been procrastinating, you should use time blocking rather than to-do list. Now what you need to do is actually learn the thing you picked every day for 1 hour or even 30 minutes. You can start by googling it, read some articles or books, or watch videos on YouTube, or take online courses on Skillshare. And make sure to take note of what you learned. Without taking notes, you're just going to forget what you learned, which is a complete waste of time. So that's my method for continuous learning. You make a list of things you want to learn, do a weekly review and pick one thing from the list, schedule a time slot for studying every day, do some research and take notes. If you can repeat this process every week, I'm pretty sure this effect will compound over time and will be a huge advantage in your life. Anyways, let me know what you think in the comment, or you can send me a DM on Twitter if you want to connect with me. Thank you so much for watching, bye!